morning we pulled a virtual queue for TRON. Boarding group is 39, so we are here experiencing TRON during the day. So this is super exciting. In a little bit, we might try some of the new TRON snacks that are exclusive to this area. So we will take you along.
Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of TRON. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems.
Sequence onto the grid. Once again, make sure we do fill all available spaces. Many users are trying to join us on the grid, so please fill all available space.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of TRON.
Team.
That's the launch right there.
Initiate light cycle run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to TRON. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured.
The whole TRON experience wouldn't be complete without the exclusive snacks at the TRON snack stand. So I'm assuming this is the broccoli beef, right?
Yeah. There's a screaming TRON coaster over there.
They're called digital dumplings? That's so
Yes.
cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. We can't wait.
There, saucy.
Is that a savory dumpling?
No.
Okay. Is that spicy at all?
No, not at all.
Okay. All right. Let me give this one a try.
It's like a panko celery dumpling then?
I think it's more like a shumai. than
Well,
a
it's
dumpling, right?
Yeah, but I think it's like Italian.
Okay. Yeah, that's like
No, it's a chicken dumpling wrapped
Chicken.
in a shumai, but it's very tomato, celery, panko breadcrumbs. Looks like a little bit of basil.
Yeah, I like the little bit of crunch for sure. This is the broccoli dumpling.
Yes, that must be the beef and broccoli.
Yep.
This was the chicken.
Okay, this one has a little bit of sesame seeds. Is that like no? That wouldn't be saffron. That's way too expensive.
But that's kind of got a saffron.
That one's a little salty to me. It's like a soy sauce based.
No,
No.
that's every once in a while. Every 20 seconds. Coaster goes by.
This is great.
No,
I think I like the other one better, the chicken one better, because this one's
if this was a little less salty.
Yeah,
I was gonna
this
say,
one's definitely
do you want
salty.
this last one or no?
I'm good.
I was gonna say one of my critiques of Disney food occasionally is they oversalt.
Well, I mean, you are losing a lot of electrolytes, so I think they're really trying to make sure, you know, you get your electrolytes in. But, yeah. Yeah, my preference was the Italian, the more tomato-based one, because the beef and broccoli one was a little bit too salty. It's very soy sauce based. Mike was saying that these are not cheap dumplings. I mean, they're like $9 a pop. So you got 3 little dumplings. So you're talking about $3 per little dumpling. You know, it's definitely a Disney pricing. We probably wouldn't come back for the food. For Tron,
it was
yes,
a good little bite
yeah.
though. Like
Huh.
I mean, that's one of those. If you're looking for something a little bit different in the park, that's a good little bite. There's not much like that elsewhere.
All right, well, that pretty much wraps up our little morning in Magic Kingdom in terms of the Tron experience. We pulled a virtual queue this morning, and right at 7, we got 39, and it took us a good. I mean, the ride opened officially at 9 o'clock, so it took us about 3 hours to get here. But, I mean, the queues actually moved pretty quickly. They move you through it. The ride capacity is quite large, so, you know, eventually, hopefully this will go to a more standby queue. But right now, it's a virtual queue and Lightning Lane only. Supposedly, they're really, really strict about the return time, so if you miss your window, it's going to be a little bit challenging to come back. So just keep that in mind. Well, thank you so much for joining us for our Tron experience. We hope to see you soon. Bye.